Good morning, my dear children. Take out your English book, page number 48. Okay, page number 48. So today we'll do this work. Okay. Understanding the poem. Understanding the poem. A. Tick the correct words. So we have to tick the correct words. Okay. We have only two questions. So let's see. Number one. Tulips grow in the garden or forest? Tulips grow in the garden or forest? The correct answer is garden. So we'll tick in this garden. Okay. Tulips grow in the garden. Correct. Garden is the correct word. So we'll tick on this garden. Okay. On this word garden. Tulips grow in the garden. Number two. Tulips grow straight in a row or bunch. Tulips grow straight in a row or bunch. Tulips grow straight in a row. Okay, so the correct word is row. So we'll tick on this word row. Okay, tulips grow straight in a row. B. Answer this question. See, we have only one question. So let's see. What do tulips need to grow? What do tulips need to grow? Answer. Tulips need rain and sunshine to grow. Tulips need rain and sunshine to grow. Okay. Now let's see another word. Listen to these words, then circle the word that does not sound like the other words in that line. The first one has been done for you. So we have to now see. Circle those words which does not sound similar to these other words. Okay. Number one, see, grow, go, to, now. So from these words, now it sounds different from this other word. Okay. So that's why this noun, we'll circle this now. Okay, because the word now sounds different. Okay, in similar to other word. See, grow, go, to. They sound similar, but now sounds different. So we circle that word. Okay. Number two, cup, up, tap, pup. So cup, up, pup. These three words sounds similar. No, same. But this word sounds different. So we'll circle that word. Means tap. We circle this tap. Okay, because this sounds different from these other words. See, cup, up, pup. They sound similar, and tap sounds different. So we'll circle this tap. Number three, one, fun, bone, run. So from this line, bone sounds different. So we'll circle this bone. Okay, because one, fun, run. These three words sounds similar, same. Okay. Number four, straight, late, date, light. Now in this line, the word light sounds different in comparison to these other words. No, see, straight, late, date. These three words sound similar, but this word light sounds different. So we'll circle this word. Okay. So first of all, you will do this work in your book. Okay. And then you will write this, tick the correct words and answer this question in your copy. This one you will not write in copy. This one you will do in your book only. Okay. Only this, tick the correct word and answer this question. These two you will write in your copy. Okay. I will send you the notes. See, stick the correct words and answer this question. Okay. So first of all, you will do this work in your book and then you will write that same work in your copy also. I will send you the note. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you.